Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Ever wished you could set a text to send later? iOS 18 introduces the Send Later feature, enabling you to plan your text right from the Messages app. If you don't have this yet, there are effective workarounds to help you schedule those important messages. In this video, let's explore how you can achieve this using your iPhone. Let's go. You can use the Shortcuts app to create an automation that sends a message at a specific time. While this requires some setup, it can be effective. Simply open the Shortcuts app to get started. Select the Automation section at the bottom. Then tap the New Automation button. Choose the Time of Day option, and select the time you'd like your message to regularly go out. Set also the frequency for your message. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly. Click Run immediately so the message gets sent when you schedule without any manual prompting. Tap Next. And then select the Send Message action here. Click Message to type in the content. Then choose the recipients under the section. Confirm your automation by clicking Done. Remember that if you only want to send the message one time, you'll need to go in and delete the automation after the message is sent. Go back to your Shortcuts app. Find the automation you created under the Automation tab. Then swipe left to delete. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.